have a very loud ring. How about this one?
That's better.
That's better. Which meant
À
food
table.
was on the table. Time to come and eat. So this is a cook car. This is what my grandmother did when she was young. They would haul these big buildings behind the horses out to the fields, and this is where the men would come and eat their meals. They had the table shoved to the side. It would have been in the middle, so you could have seating down both sides. It's made ultra efficient. So if we step down into the kitchen area, you can see we have the cook stove here in the middle. They would have had all the wood they needed here to make it handy to keep it rocking and a-rolling. It has its water reservoir, so they have hot water while they're working and have that for cleanup. But right next to it, they have this super efficient place to do your work. Unfortunately, I would have put the stove over a little more so you could get a butt behind here. But everything they need is right here. It's at a hand's reach, so they can be mixing and doing whatever. There's room for 2 people probably to work and do all their cooking here. Now I want you to imagine these are the prairies of North Dakota. It's probably 90-some degrees and they have this baby cranking because they're making meals for the hard-working threshing bee guys. So I can't even imagine how my grandmother survived it. On top of that, dressed in all that heavy garb. And this would have been the wash-up area. Wash-up for the men would have been outside. This would have been where they would have been doing the dishes. And maybe a water source when the guys come in would have been at the end. So, an incredible way to make a living. But we had one of these, we actually still have one of these, and I would love to bring it home and turn it into like a little she shed or something. Don't you think, honey? Don't you think we need it?
Yes,
Try to
dear.
get back home.
Yes, dear.